This is absolutely insane. This is a tool which can create literal website from just a screenshot. Take a look at this. I want to rebuild this Instagram home feed, so I will just take a screenshot and then I'm gonna just plug this directly into this tool, which is free and open source. I will link it into video description. So let's pick the screenshot. It's this one here, and then this program will start and just rebuild the website. So it's scanning this website with the GPT-4 Vision API, and now you can see it's creating the website. And it's not an basic creation, or like it's not like in drawing or anything else. It's literal code, so you can inspect it here. So it's creating code in real time. This is with Tailwind, and it's absolutely impressive. Like if somebody would have told me that this was possible before, nope. Absolutely impressive, absolutely insane. It's gonna be a game changer, for people who are gonna build quick demos. And yeah, helpful tool. I will show you some more stuff about that. So if you take a look at, for example, this one, you can see the constraints. It's not super mobile optimized, so it doesn't think about the mobile version. And yeah, it's done. It creates the code, so you can take a look at that. That's the code from the tool. It's done with a Tailwind, and the more interesting part about this one is that all those images you can see here, they are also all generated. So this is not a copy from this one, but it's using the DALL-E free API and creating the images, which is impressive. You need to think about making this happen, that it understands the page structure and then creates all the elements here, and then also generates the images based on the images you can see here. So this is like super impressive. You can look at this post as an interior design, and here it tries to do the same. Very, very impressive. It's again not mobile optimized. The code, it's all written in Tailwind and probably a lot of repetition, but yeah, extremely interesting tool. I will link the GitHub repository in the description. Regarding usage and stuff I will use it for. I don't think I will use it in my day-to-day work as an LLM engineer and consultant, but I'm gonna maybe if I need to draw in quick mockup, or I see in Figma design, I will just screenshot the Figma design. You know what? Let's do it right now. Let's go to Figma designs and see what it can do. I would want to really interested in what it can do. Figma design kit. So let's see how quickly it can copy something. Let's see. So let's find something interesting from Figma. Let's see an UI kit. This is gonna be impressive. So there is this landing folio website where you can buy the landing pages. And now, okay, I don't want to buy them. Please pay the money, but I want to see if it can rebuild the thing. So for example, let's pick a design like this one. Obviously you will need to buy this before you can copy this one. So let's see if it can rebuild it. So let's copy this one, and let's see if this tool can rebuild this page. I will be very, very impressed. You can also adjust things. So you can, for example, I will show it in the next screenshot. Let's first of all refresh this page and upload a new picture. Let's take the one we've taken now, and let's see how it's gonna rebuild it. If it can rebuild it with a lot of the details, I will be impressed, because again, this is it's super impressive. Look at this one. It's copying the hero text and the text, copying the buttons. Obviously it's not perfect, but it's working its way up. And he's also generating pictures, so you can see it here. It's taking the pictures, generating with DALL-E. Yeah, I'm very confident that it's not gonna be a good result. So for the header part, yeah, it's fine. It's not an exact copy, but you can see what the tool does. I'm just gonna wait for a couple of seconds so it finishes it, but we can also stop it. Let's stop this one. But what you can also do is you can now prompt the tool to change specific things. So for example, please adjust the background to, let's say, blue or cyan. I don't know how it's spelled. And it should update the background. Let's see how it works. If it works, I think so. I mean, it should just set some Tailwind code. Okay, interesting. So instead of changing the existing code, it's just generating new code with the additional prompt. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Very, very interesting. Again, cool tool. I don't think it's gonna replace any human beings or any real designer or software engineer. Nevertheless, it's very, very impressive how far we have come. I think in 2 years we will be able to do a very exact copy of what we're seeing here. But yeah, again, very cool tool. I will put it into GitHub. I will put the repository into the description. Follow me, and please subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more of these tools, and if you want to see how you can build actual real world applications with the generative AI technologies. I will show that more. And other than that, thanks for viewing and have a nice day.